Hi, I'll be your marking specialist today, and we will be using our model Mark 300 power unit. I will be marking on titanium. So now what we're going to do is turn the power unit on, put your switches on to AC normal etch, have your settings on 5, put your alligator clip onto your titanium plate. I like to use T10 electrolyte for normal etch. Just apply a good amount onto your normal etch hand pad, which is our HP 515. Just dab it on your paper towel twice. You're going to grab your stencil, place it on your titanium plate, tape it down. You can leave one side free so you can just lift up, see if your reading came out. Now you can blot. But what I like to do is just kind of swipe it, like if you're ironing, like so. You can tell if your marking came out through your stencil, the white part of your stencil, it turns into like that wet look. Lift it up, see your mark. If there's some blotches, put your stencil back down, go over it real quick, lift your stencil, take it off, get your APC cleaner onto a rag. Just take that electrolyte off. Put your dry rag, just dry part up. And that is your normal etch marking. Now I'm going to show you how to mark deep etch on titanium. I'm going to put my switch on DC deep etch. Turn my settings onto 5. I'm going to use a deep etch hand pad, which is our HP 515DE. I'm not going to use T10 because that's just for normal etch. We do have a B10, and you can use that with normal etch as well as deep etch. But what I like to use is our 59NC. That's also for both. You can use it for a normal etch or deep etch. Get your stencil, apply it onto your titanium plate. Again, just tape one side or both if you're afraid your stencil's going to move. Make sure it's nice and flat. With DC deep etch, marking titanium, you're not going to sit your hand pad onto the stencil. You're actually going to do a lot of blotting. Like if you're knocking, you don't want to sit your hand pad on the stencil because then your stencil will break and you don't want that to happen. So lots of blotting, lots of knocking. You're going to blot for about 2 minutes to 2.5 if you're needing to reach 2 to 3 thousandths depth. Once you've done all that marking, blotting, then you're gonna get your APC cleaner, put it on a dry rag, wipe your part, and get a dry rag and dry your plate.